Hey guys, I'm a little late, but I went to Connecticut and I bought firecrackers in Stop and Shop. And I stayed in Connecticut for like a week, but I couldn't find anywhere to light them because I was in a condo. So I just decided, well, why not bring it back to New York? And I just bought fountains. Everything was $30 altogether. Let me show you them right now. Gonna be lighting all of them tonight. I'll post another video of me lighting them. That's the first one. That's the biggest one. This is another fountain. This is another big one. These are boxes of fountains. They're crazy. Another box. Another box. Another fountain. Flashing fountains, really small. Another fountain. Another fountain. Another one. I have a lot of fountains. So another fountain too. Another big one. Another fountain. Small box of fountains. Another small box. Crystal fountain. Freedom fountain. These are all of them. Can't really see them. Sorry. Let me turn my light real quick. Yep, these are all of them. I'll record another video tonight of me lighting them at about 9:30, 10 o'clock-ish. So stay tuned on my channel. Thanks. Subscribe.